Hi, I'm Dr. Venkatesh. I'm a consultant neonatologist. I'm going to discuss a neonate born with respiratory distress, and he was looking dusky. He was resuscitated at birth. He did not improve with oxygenation. He was given 100% oxygen. He was ventilated also, and he continued to be desaturating. He continued to have the dusky looking nature. His distress also started to increase. He was shifted to neonatal intensive care unit, connected to the ventilator. The chest X-ray was performed. The chest X-ray demonstrated evidence of pulmonary edema. In view of pulmonary edema and not improving with ventilation and oxygenation, the echocardiography was performed. The echocardiography demonstrated the tricuspid regurgitation jet with a pulmonary pressure of around 60. It also demonstrated the shunting across the atrial septum, atrial septal defect, that is right to left shunt. The left atrium was small. Then the pulmonary veins were not draining to the left atrium where it should be draining, and all the pulmonary veins, they were draining behind the left atrium. They confluented to form a single chamber draining into a vein which is descending, it's called descending vein, and entering to the liver. Through the portal system, the veins entered into inferior vena cava, then to the right atrium. So this is a case of infracardiac TAPVC. This constitutes around 20% of the total TAPVC. This is the third commonest variety we see. All the TAPVCs, supracardiac, cardiac, TAPVC, mixed, all varieties, they are prone for obstruction. But infracardiac TAPVC is most common to have obstruction because it passes through the liver. The CT angiogram was performed. It demonstrated the descending vein entering into the portal system, then to the inferior vena cava, and then to the right atrium. The emergency corrective surgery was performed, and also the Coles procedure was performed on this baby. Around 10 days after the surgery, baby got discharged, went home on full feeds. Now baby is coming for follow-up clinics. Nutrition is okay, vaccination is up to date, and growth and development is extraordinary. Thank you so much.